What I have in the pot is bacon grease. I had keto flu for day 2, day 3. I guess today's Thursday, so today's day 4. I still don't feel great, but at least I can, my migraine doesn't feel like it's going to kill me. I'm going to make chicken. I've already seasoned the top. I'm going to put it skin down in the bacon grease, and then I'm going to take out the chicken, cook a little bit of mushrooms, some butter, some mascarpone cheese, and make a noodle sauce, and then put the chicken back in and then cook it with the noodle sauce, and then I'll fry up my noodles. So I placed my chicken skin side down into the bacon grease, and the reason why I'm using bacon grease is because, you know, with keto, you're supposed to have like 75–80% fat, and even though thighs are fattier than breasts, I still need to balance out that protein. So I'm going to try to add as much fat as possible, try to eat as least meat as possible, and try to get as much fat in as I can. So this is why I'm doing it. Also, bacon grease tastes good. Bacon tastes good. Oh, and the reason why I have so much bacon grease right now is because I had a full days, like all those days of keto flu, and I could only had enough energy to cook bacon in the oven and in the microwave actually, so that I could eat, because I could barely stand. So that's the reason why I didn't film anything. Okay, so you see that my chicken has browned on the skin side, and I'm just cooking the other side. I'm not going to cook it all the way like this. I'm going to put it in the oven, but just wanted to show you what the skin looks like. I'm going to take it out, and I'm going to actually cook my mushrooms and start my sauce. You can see I set my chicken to the side. It is not done yet. I just wanted to get it crispy. I'm re-warming up my bacon grease because I had to take the time to actually finish cutting the onion. I'm actually using the same onion that I used for the fat bomb soup, and I had some mushrooms left over. These are just portobello. I used all the shiitake for the soup, but I still have some red onion left, and I still have more of the same huge red onion left. You can't use too much onions because onions are carbs, so, but I need it for flavoring. I am caramelizing the onions in the bacon grease, and I think I'm just gonna add the mushrooms right now to it, because, you know, the more flavor the mushrooms get to soak up, the better. I'll get the rest of those off in a second. So I have sauteed my mushrooms and my onions in bacon fat, and now I'm going to add some mascarpone cheese. Like I said before, I don't really talk about seasonings because I think each person, you can season each of these dishes however you want, an Asian style, an Indian style, an American style, or a French style. What's important is that I'm showing you how to get the fat in there, and how to eat the fat without like wanting to like puke. So, because it's a lot of fat, 75% to 80% fat is a lot of fat to try to get down. So I am only using a half of the mascarpone cheese. Usually I would probably add like 2 full things, but like I said, I was sick, so I really couldn't cook, and so I used what I could to get the fat in yesterday. So I just ate the mascarpone cheese with lemon and a little bit of that sugar substitute. You know, the one that's made from trees. It starts with an X. Yeah. Well, as you can see, it's melting and it's making a nice sauce. And I hope it's enough. So I found some Philly cream cheese at the in the back of the refrigerator. I definitely checked it for mold because I haven't bought Philly cream cheese in a while. But it looked okay. So I am adding it to the dish. I just didn't think we had enough sauce and enough fat. So Philly cream cheese, the regular one, is 100 calories per serving, and 90 of those calories come from fat, so it's perfect for keto. But I still prefer to use the mascarpone cheese. I just ran out. Adding that extra cream cheese may have been a mistake, I don't know. But I am going to give each one of these a pat of butter, and I'm going to stick it in the oven for like 20 minutes. Because I didn't actually cook this through. I just made sure the skin got crispy. Hopefully it'll turn out right. If it turns out wrong, I'll just make sure that next time I have all the ingredients that I need. I'm using some zucchini noodles. I have bacon and butter in the pan. Some seasonings. This is what's going to complete the meal. My mom is on her way, so I'm just going to start now. I tossed it in the zucchini noodles in the butter and oil mixture. Probably should have done cauliflower potatoes instead. Not real potatoes, but you know, cauliflower as mashed potatoes. But it's almost Easter, and I think I'm going to save that for another day. So it's sizzling, and I'm waiting for Mom to get here before I plate. So you see all of this fat in the meal. I know we can't get it all down, so probably going to save some of it and try to make a soup out of it. But I'm going to plate now. So my mother is still not here, so I'm going to stick the plates in a lukewarm oven. This is the finished product. You see the chicken, the mushrooms, the zucchini, and tons of fat. And I have been losing weight. I don't feel great though right now. I know you're supposed to feel this way first few days, but I must be a major carbohydrate addict because damn, this hurts.